What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGM Classic Cars LLC, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you a muscle wagon 2007 Dodge Magnum SRT with the Hemi. They only made about 700 or 800 of these things. This thing's fully loaded. Thousands of dollars worth of options when it was ordered. Gotta unlock the door here. Look at the interior, in great shape. Whoever had this thing took care of it. See SRT-8 right there. Start it up here for you. Close the door. 48,000 miles. Fully loaded, as I said. I mean, everything you'd ever need. Give it a couple revs here. Sounds great. You just hear that Hemi. Here's your Hemi under the hood here. 6.1 liter. It's got the fold down back seat. Unlock the door again. What a cool car. You can take your kids to school in this thing. Open up the back here. It's locked. Let me unlock it again. Open up the kicker sub. A lot of space back here. The car runs great, obviously. I mean, it's modern muscle. Sounds great. Got your SRT-8 badges, Magnum. Walk you through right here. Done. Seat folds back up. You got your cup holders there. Video entertainment system right there. Whoever wanted to order this thing, when they did order it, they wanted everything. Just a really cool car. You could daily drive this thing all year. You could do basically anything with it. Jump in the interior and show you. Here's your radio, 6-disc, MP3. I mean, it's fully loaded. Got your RPM gauge, your mile per hour gauge. Mile per hour gauge goes to 180. Just overall really, really cool. If you're interested in this car, you can visit mgmclassiccars.com, see some photos and everything you'll ever need to see. You can check out some of our other inventory as well. We are located in Addison, Illinois. This is one of our warehouses. We have around 250 cars. If interested in this muscle wagon, you could call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We offer great financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Everyone, thank you very much for watching and have a great day. We all appreciate it here at MGM Classic Cars. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow all of our social media pages. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day. I'd hope to see you guys here at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Bye-bye.